Pitman shorthand exercise number 1. Ready, start. First line, the date, full stop. Second line, the page, full stop. Third line, date, the page, full stop. Fourth line, the depth, full stop. Fifth line, pay the debt, full stop. Sixth line, who paid the debt, question mark. Seventh line, Abe, Page, paid it, comma, but Ted, they, paid it, comma, to, full stop. Eighth line, Ted paid the debt which Abe paid, full stop. Ninth line, the day Abe paid the debt, comma, Ted paid it, comma, to, full stop. 10th line, do, page, to, full stop. 11th line, aid, it, to do, it, full stop. 12th line, pay, paid, to, aid, ebb, full stop.